Hey everyone! Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to open a JSON file in 2025. If you're diving into web development, data analysis, or just handling files online, JSON files are everywhere. They're lightweight and easy to work with once you know the basics. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation, and it's basically a way to store and exchange data in a structured format, like a simple text file with key-value pairs. Let's jump right in with the steps. First, the easiest method is using a text editor. On Windows, fire up Notepad or something more powerful like Visual Studio Code. On a Mac, try text editor the same versus code. Just right-click your JSON file, select Open With, and choose your editor. You'll see the raw data laid out. It's that straightforward. If you prefer not to install anything, head to an online JSON viewer. In 2025, tools like JSON or similar websites have gotten even smarter with AI-powered formatting. Upload your file, and it'll display the content neatly, with options to pretty print or validate the JSON. Another cool way is through your web browser. Modern browsers like Chrome or Edge can open JSON files directly. Simply drag and drop the file into a new tab, and it'll render the data for you to read or edit on the spot. For more advanced users, consider dedicated software. Apps like JSON Editor or integrated tools in IDEs provide features like syntax highlighting and error checking, which are super helpful for larger files. One quick tip: always double-check files from unknown sources to avoid security risks, like potential malware. With these methods, you'll be opening JSON files like a pro in no time. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.